takes longer to go to the store and back to get tortillas than it does to make these. And these taste better. Do you ever eat these just with like butter and salt? They're so good. We eat a lot of tacos. We've gotten to where we just make them because they are so easy to make. I need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This is an organic all-purpose flour. I also need 1 teaspoon each of salt and sugar. Probably don't need a full teaspoon of salt, but it's good. Salt and sugar. Other side. And then mix the dry ingredients up. I don't use baking powder in this. I like the way these tortillas turn out without the baking powder, just these simple ingredients. Okay, and we gotta move quick. All right, make sure this is heating. This may not work, we're gonna find out. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and water. We need water, 3/4 cup water. I like the extra virgin olive oil. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of that. I'm gonna use a little bit more here in a second. And give that also 3/4 cup of water. I like to use a good water because you can taste it. Give this a mix. And get in there. Okay. So all this is organic stuff, no phosphates. I'm frying flour, and it's just like, what is that, 4 ingredients? So easy breezy. And start mixing it. I'm not even gonna flour my board. Let's see, should just work out perfect just like this. And just start rolling it. This is gonna slide because I didn't put a towel under it. If you're like slide like that, I'm gonna put a towel under it. Awesome. Be with y'all in a second. I know y'all are hungry. Okay. Then, I got a towel under there. Can knead it without it shaking the board. So about 3 minutes generally is what it takes to get the perfect silky smooth dough that I'm looking for, which it does not look like that right now. But this should work out just fine. I don't want to add more water because I know this is the right water ratio. I'm going to trust it, trust the measurements. About 3 solid minutes of just folding and pushing down and folding and pushing down. No real like technique here, at least I don't think. Now, one thing I'm concerned about is I've not cooked on this little portable thing tortillas yet. So I don't know if I'm gonna hit the right temperature or if it's gonna get hot fast enough. And I don't know if I'm gonna need like extra 20 minutes for this thing to catch up, but hopefully it'll work out. Hopefully it'll work out. I can see that my dough is getting smoother. This nice kind of silky smooth dough ball right here. I'm gonna take a little bit of that extra olive oil that was sitting in my spoon here and just rub it all over, okay? Just give it a little coating. And then clean off all this. And I'm gonna let this sit and just cover it with my same bowl for about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, let's check this out. And this amount will make about 8 to 10 tortillas, and I like to go 10. So I'm gonna make them a little smaller so I can get 10 out of them. So cut it in half, cut it in half. This way you get even size tortillas. It's easier to make something round out of something round, so start by making a little sphere and then flatten it into a disc. Get a little bit of flour on my board. Okay, didn't need to flour the board when I was initially kneading the dough ball, but as I start to roll these, they will stick to the rolling pin or the board, and then just roll it. So let's see. So sometimes I'll do the long rolls back and forth in the direction I want it to go. And if it's acting weird and I'm getting like a jigsaw shape, then I'll just do little short rolls to use my hand to straighten that out. Just gentle so it doesn't rip, and then just try to fix that up. No big deal. Going for that, like perfect medium heat. I don't know if this portable one is gonna get that hot, so we're gonna find out very quickly. Let's see. This has been out here forever. I'm gonna just try it. Please work, please work. I don't know. I feel like there should be like a moment of like tortilla magic happening. Puff up. Ugh. I'm not getting a good puff, so within 30 seconds or so, you should start to see this puff. That means I'm at the right temperature and that they're cooking at the right speed. About 30 seconds per side. Then get to see those beautiful little golden brown spots and the perfect texture and even color across the tortillas. We are golden. And that is best achieved by having a preheated skillet to a medium heat, because if you get it on there too quickly, they're gonna take longer to cook and start to dry out and not get this puff. Look at this puff. Okay, the longest part of this was rolling them out. And I'm okay with a not perfect tortilla, but I gotta tell you, some of these are pretty round and we're ready to eat. They're not a taco till they're stuffed. Y'all want some of this, right? All right, go sit down. Let's do this.